Hi everyone. So we all want to become great in our lives. Like everyone wants to become Elon Musk or so like Sachin Tendulkar or Hrithik Roshan, Amir Khan. Everyone want to become great in their life. Now I'm going to tell you the secret to become great in your life. It is actually not a secret. This is actually called as hedgehog concept, which is written in the book Good to Great by Jim Collins. So you can read that book. That is my favorite book. In that book, he explains clearly how a person can attain greatness in his life. So he has done a simple Venn diagram. I'll show you the Venn diagram. So first list out all the things that you are passionate about. Passion. So what is passion? Passion is a very strong emotion. Passion is a combination of love and hatred. You love something that you want to do it. You hate something that you want to change it. That is passion, right? So first find out what are all the things you are passionate about. So first Venn diagram or the first set is all about passion, your love. Then everyone is genetically good at something. For example, for me, teaching comes naturally. I don't have to put in efforts. For Sachin Tendulkar, batting comes naturally. He doesn't have to put in efforts. I'm not saying that he didn't put efforts, but it comes naturally to him. And for Hrithik Roshan, dancing comes naturally. Yeah, they're all putting efforts, but they come naturally, right? So, second thing you have to find out is what are you good at genetically, right? So, the second one is about genes. About genes. Okay. So first thing is about the passion. Find out all the things that you are passionate about. Second thing is genetically what you are good at. You have to find out all of them. And the third thing is find out what you are or find out the things for which you get paid, which means this is the economic engine. You have to find out certain things, or at least you have to find out the things for which people will pay you. Now this intersection is the sweet spot. You are passionate about something, which means you will do it even if you don't get paid. For example, I'm a bathroom singer. I will sing in the bathroom even if I don't get paid, right? And some people like dancing. They will dance at parties even if they don't get paid, right? So that is what his passion is, right? So find out all the things you are passionate about, put them in the first circle, and find all the things that you are genetically good about. See, everyone will be genetically good at least something. Okay, so find out all the things that you are genetically good at and put in the second circle. And finally, find out all the things that people will pay you and put in the third circle. Now, when you get a thing that is falling in the intersection of all three, that will give you greatness. That will make you great in your life. For example, take my life. I am passionate about teaching. Even if you don't pay me, I will teach. And I'm genetically good at teaching. That is what I feel. I'm being very humble. I'm saying that I am genetically good at teaching. It comes naturally to me. I don't take takes. I don't take 2 takes, 3 takes to do a video. I take just 1 take. I finish a video. So genetically I'm good at it. And people are paying me money for teaching. Why will I leave it? See, why is this money part very important? Because even though you love doing it, even though you are going to be best in the world for doing it, you should always get paid, right? So just remember these 3 things. First is passion. Second is you should become best in the world if you do it, which means genetically you should be good at it. Third is economic engine. You should generate revenue. If you find something, that is where you should focus on. This is what will make you great in life. And this concept is given in Good to Great book by Jim Collins. Okay, please read that book. There are many concepts like that. You will really love it. Thank you. If you want to take my GATE classes, we go to the website ravindrababuravula.in and you are going to see all my GATE classes available there. Okay, so coming to the classes, they are all recorded. Why am I doing recorded? Why am I not doing live classes? Is I have thousands of students registering for my courses every year, but then if I conduct a live class, only 20 or 30 people will be there. 20 or 30, that's it. Maximum is 40 I had. The reason is live classes are little bit wasting your time. See, you cannot watch a live class at 2x speed. You have to watch at the pace at which I teach. Generally, I will be very slow while teaching. So if you can go through the live classes, you can watch them at 2x speed and you can complete the syllabus very fast. 400 plus hours content is there for GATE, and if you are going to watch them at normal pace, it will take 400 hours. But if you watch it at 2x speed, it will take just 200 hours, right? So if you want any of my GATE classes, GATE Computer Science or GATE DA, the price is just 10,000 rupees. It is very reasonable for the kind of quality we provide. We have test series, we have doubt sessions, we have videos, we have lecture notes for everything. Even you don't have to write any lecture notes. I will provide you lecture notes for every subject. You just have to sit back, watch the videos at 2x speed and revise the notes. Short notes will be provided, long notes will be provided, formulas will be written in the separate notes. Everything will be there provided to you. You don't have to work hard. And coming to, if you are planning to go abroad, we also have study abroad program. You can go through my number. My number is on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the website. If you are planning to do masters abroad, that is a very good choice. It is better than doing masters in India. So if you are planning to go abroad, we will help you out right from taking the passport to getting the visa, US visa, right? So we will help you out in the entire process. Okay. So do visit the website, see what is happening there. Even DSA course is there for 5,000 rupees, which is both in Python and C++.